Hello everyone, this is last part of INE Foundation Lab 3 and it is section 7.4 IP version 6 IPsec. Let's quick review IPsec and I will come back and conclude this section. Okay, as we know, IPsec is a suite of protocols that provide security to internet communication at IP layer. And the core of IPsec security is IKE protocol. IPsec uses the IKE protocol to negotiate and establish secure site-to-site or remote access with VPN tunnels. In Cisco world, IKE protocol is also called the Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol, or ISAKMP. And there are two versions of IKE, version 1 and version 2. IKE uses two phases. One is IKE phase 1 and the other one is IKE phase 2. Okay, phase one is called ISAKMP phase, and phase two is called IPsec phase. Okay, phase one will be the secure control channel, and okay, phase two will be the secure data channel. It's the difference between phase one and phase two. Phase one uses two modes. It's one main mode and aggressive mode. Main mode is more secure and it hides identities, but aggressive mode is faster, but it sends identities in plain text. Okay, phase two only has two modes. It is called quick mode. And to configure our IPsec, we have to first configure IK phase one or ISAKMP phase. It is called ISAKMP phase. To configure this phase, we simply use this command: create the ISAKMP policy and this policy number, and we specify encryption, hash, authentication, group number, and lifetime parameter. It's IPsec algorithm. And ISAKMP phase, one policy is defined globally. It means if we have more than one different remote site and configure each combination for different ISAKMP policies, it will send all five policies and use the first mask that is accessible for tabs. For example, if we have five remote sites and we configure five different ISAKMP policies, for example, let's specify ISAKMP policy 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It will send all five policies and use the first mask that is accepted by both end devices. It will only accept one policy. Okay. And after specifying this crypto ISAKMP policy, we have to configure this one. Crypto ISAKMP key and remove special remove P IP addresses. If we have five different remote, we have to specify this command 5 times for each remote. Or we can use single command by this wildcard preshared keys. This wildcard preshared key lets you define a single preshared key that applies to multiple keys instead of configuring a separate key for each remote IP. To configure this wildcard preshared key, we simply use this command: create the ISAKMP key, display key name, address, and 0000 and 000 and 0. This is for IP version 4, and to configure for IP version 6, we use this one. Keep the ISAKMP key name, address, and IP version 6:/0. This is phase one configuration. To configure phase two, we have to use this command. Crypto IPsec transform set. This is the specify transform set name, and we specify encryption and authentication algorithm. And under this, we have to specify our tunnel mode. Either we use transport or tunnel. Transport mode encrypts only data portion of each packet and leaves the packet header untouched. But tunnel mode encrypts both payload and header. And tunnel mode is more overhead than transport mode. Transport mode is less overhead. Okay, this is phase one and phase two configuration. Then we can upload this configuration either by crypto maps or crypto profile, either with tunnel or without tunnel. This is IPsec configuration modes. We can use IPsec VPN with crypto maps. This is without GIE tunnel. We can use GIE over IPsec with crypto maps. We can use GIE over IPsec with crypto profile. I used this one in previous lab, previous section. We can use IPsec virtual tunnel interfaces for IPv4 and IPv6. To configure crypto map, we simply create access fields. Then we create crypto map by this crypto map command and upload it to our outgoing physical interface instead of tunnel. We don't have any tunnel interface in this IPsec with crypto maps. We can also use crypto IPsec with dynamic crypto maps. We can use crypto dynamic map instead. And for IPsec with crypto profile, we create crypto IPsec profile and we specify profile name and we specify transfer state that we have already configured here. This is here by this command. And we upload our profile to our tunnel interface by this command. Tunnel protection IPsec profile and we specify our profile name. IPsec with tunnel interface is the same as this one. Instead, we use this command. Tunnel mode IPsec IPv4 for IPv4 and tunnel mode IPsec IPv6 for IPv6. If we use this command, it means we use IPsec with virtual tunnel interface. Okay, this is the quick IPsec configuration, phase one, phase two. Let's configure this section. Okay, configure start to start VTR with tunnel interface, IPsec between R1 and R6. Between this interface, between R1 and R6, we use this physical interface. Network is 128, 10, 16, 6. It is for R6 and for IP interface. This is one for R1. Let's see show IP version 6 interface either. Show IP interface 3. This is our IP version 6 address of this physical interface. Show IP version 6 interface brief command, and this is our IP version 6 address of this physical interface. So we have to create tunnel. Then use IPv6 address. It is a tunnel address on VTR, where is automatically derived 64-bit value, and use this physical interface as tunnel source. This interface as tunnel source, and we have to use this address as tunnel destination. This is this is tunnel destination on R1, and this is tunnel destination on R6. This is phase 1 configuration. So phase 1, and this is phase 2, and ensure that R1 can reach IPv6 loopbacks of the VPN host. To achieve this goal, we have to add this tunnel in this network. In our network area 1, 2, 3, and 7 for OSPF version 3, so that our tools can reach loopbacks of the VPN in this way. Okay, let's quick configure. Before configure phase 1, after create tunnel, I'll create a tunnel, for example, tunnel number 16, and specify IP-based address. This is the address, and area 64. Why is where authority are. I have to use this tunnel source, this address as tunnel source. And tunnel destination, if I specify this one, this means I have configured it on R3, on R1. I specify this one. This is for R1 configuration. And I'll use tunnel mode IPsec IPv6 for VTY. This command will make our tunnel VTY as I explained here. Or use this command on the tunnel, it will make this tunnel VTY interface. Tunnel mode tunnel mode IPsec IPv6, and I use tunnel protection IPsec profile. This profile. This is my phase 1 configuration. I create triple days. It uses triple days. SHA Development Group 15. Okay, I have this special address in the crypto IPsec key. And it says don't use wildcard address for preshared key. Okay, I have to spell our remote key address. Let's specify my remote key address. This is R6 removed. I have to put this here. It's the same as our tunnel destination. This is crypto as a key, BTR, version 6, BTR, and add remove others, and this is crypto application transfer set, BTR RTS, encryption, triple days, and triple days and MD5 for phase MD5 authentication and mode is transport mode. Yes, this is for this specify this copy and put this. This is for R1. To convert to R6 on R6 completely, I have to change this parameter. We shall version 6 interface break command. I have to put this one. This is for my remote. My tunnel destination should be this one. This is the same as, and this is for our 6 configuration. To show IP interface break. Okay, this command, I have to add this command again. IP version 6. I have to specify 128 either. This is on R6. I have to use this one. That's 128. Now one. Let's verify do show IP version 6 interface break. These items. Show IPv6 interface break command. IP interface 116 and inside into up. Do show IPv6 interface break. Yes, we go to show. Let's see two of the services. Now six, I have to remove this one. Copy. New. One. Push all. Save one. Now one, I have to use this one. Visual on. Visual IP version 6 interface break. Okay, now time is up. I misconfigured this command. Keep the ISAKMP key with device. I have configured this two times. First, I missed this one. We have to specify /128. Second time, I misconfigured this command on two times on R6. Okay, now it's working. It's now okay. Okay, now let's verify. Verify. I can use this verification command to crypto. This is for phase one. Show crypto. I is a ISAKMP session. Let's say this R1 and this is active. Some destination. This is our phase 2. And this is our session. Let's come on, this is session, open active, open active. Also use this command to keep the ISAKMP page. On our one, we have two pages. This is old DMVPN IPsec, and this is our new BTY tunnel interface between our 1 and our 6. And this is our hub and spoke connectivity. Our 7 is a hub DMVPN, IPv6 DMVPN. Okay, now the last part. So our 1 or 6 can reach up with the loop box. To achieve this goal, I have to add this into OSP. I have to add tunnel network into OSPF. If we show OSPF version 3, IP version 6, neighbor. Okay. Let's add our tunnel interface into this OSPF network by OSPF version 3. Let's go config interface. Before checking, let's check one of the interfaces. Show IP version 6 interface 3. This is loop back to IP version 6 set command. Sure. I can reach from tunnel 20 on our 6, but on from our 1 I can reach from 20, but on our 6 there is no hook. I'll go to config T, go to interface tunnel 16, and add this tunnel process ID on the it should be IP version 6, area 123.123.7. Let's on our 1 interface tunnel 16. And I do show OSPF version 3, ERP version 6 neighbor. Now, let's verify this either neighbor. I have neighbor on over tunnel 16. Now let's verify. Show IP version 6 step command and specify this. Okay, now we can have next hop to this tunnel. Now let's ping this one. Let's try another one. This is another DMP loop back. So IP version 6, interface brief, uh, show IP version 6 set command to verify I am acceptable. And I can create my another DMP loop box. First, this is how we can configure BTY. Configure BTY, it's this. We simply add this command. Tunnel mode IPsec, IPv4 for IPv4 and IPv6 for IPv6. This command will make our tunnel as virtual tunnel interface or VTI. This was our last section of INE. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.